In this video, I'll quickly show you how to sign up and create your Miro account. Whether you're new to digital collaboration or just want an easy walkthrough, this guide has you covered. Start by opening your browser and heading to miro.com/signup. You can also click the sign up button on Miro's homepage. Both take you straight to the registration page. Here, you will see different ways to create your account. You can sign up using your email by entering your name, email address, and password, then agreeing to the terms of service. Or if you prefer a faster method, you can use Google, Slack, Microsoft, Apple, or Facebook to sign up instantly. Once you've registered, Miro will send a confirmation email. Open it and click Confirm your email or enter the code provided. If you don't see it right away, be sure to check your spam folder. It's important to confirm your account soon, as unverified accounts may be deleted after 7 days. After your email is confirmed, Miro will prompt you to create or join a team. If someone invited you, you'll be added automatically. Otherwise, you can start a new free plan team which lets you create up to 3 editable boards. Perfect for beginners. Next, you will land on your Miro dashboard, your central hub for managing projects. To start collaborating, click Create New Board. You can begin with a blank canvas or choose from dozens of templates. Rename your board to make it your own, and you're ready to go. And that's it, your Miro account is live and ready for creativity. Explore, experiment, and start building amazing boards today. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with what you'll create first in Miro.